What's going on, everybody? Steffan Walters here with the New Mexico Home Group at my newest listing in Rio Rancho. This is the highly sought after Ella Floorpan from Abrazo that is no longer being built. It has 24 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms plus an amazing office with incredible views, 3 bathrooms, quartz countertops. Come check it out. What's going on, everybody? Thanks for checking out my newest listing. If you guys have any questions or would like to take a private tour, just give me a call. I'd love to bring you out here. It's a gorgeous property. So anything I can help you with, just let me know. Have a great day. Bye-bye.